What's the difference between a Medeco Maxum deadbolt and one that you'd find at a typical big box store? Everything. Let's see how the Medeco lock holds up as we try to pry our way in. Even with this kind of abuse, the Medeco deadbolt did its job. The size of the bolt and the reinforced strike allowed the Medeco deadbolt to stand up to this abuse. Now let's see how the standard off-the-shelf deadbolt holds up. That's the difference between a lock designed to close your door and one designed to keep it shut. To upgrade your security, find a dealer near you at medeco.com/deadbolt.